Ever wonder why gas station coffee costs $1.89, but Starbucks costs $4.85 for the same size?
It's simple. Inventory. A.M.P.M. stocks 3 basic coffee options.
Starbucks stocks hundreds of syrups, milk alternatives, seasonal flavors, and specialty ingredients.
But here's the catch. They both serve the same number of customers per day.
Starbucks has to buy, store, and manage 10 times more inventory to serve those same customers.
All that extra inventory costs money, but it doesn't increase sales. So they charge higher prices to cover those costs.
This is exactly what happens in the uniform industry. When customers ask for more brands and product options, we have to stock more inventory. More inventory means higher costs. Higher costs mean higher prices for everyone, even though we're not selling more products.
Please ask your department to work with your local uniform vendors to limit the brands and options.
So we can all save money.